Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings, then here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Telegram as you see, and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.